Feirste Arash, welcome back. In this video we're going to look at the differences between West and East as Gaeilge in Irish. Let's start with West. The Irish word for West is Iarthar. Iarthar, West. And in the West is San Iarthar. San Iarthar. If you were moving west, the term would be Ag Boga Sir. Ag Boga, moving, Sir, west. Ag Boga Sir. And the west coast is An Costa here. An Costa here. A county in the Midlands of Ireland is called Westmeath. Westmeath. And the Irish word for Westmeath is Iarthar. Iarthar. Westmeath. And finally, if you were trying to describe a wind coming from the west, a westerly wind, it would be Ghui and near. An Ghui and near, a westerly wind. Let's look at the word east now. The Irish word for east is Iarthar. Iarthar, east. And in the east would be San Iarthar. If you were going east, you would say Ag Dul Sur. Ag Dul Sur, going east or moving eastwards. The east coast is An Costa Her. An Costa Her, the east coast. The second city in Ireland is Belfast. So if you wanted to say East Belfast, you would say Béal Feirste Her. Béal Feirste Her, East Belfast. And finally, an easterly wind then is Ghui and near. Ghui and near. So that's it for this Irish language video. Thanks for watching. You'll see some videos up on screen now, similar to this one, that you can check out if you wish. And please subscribe for more videos just like this. Gurv Magad, thank you, and Slán go fóill. Bye for now.